Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Thank you for joining me today. I have a haul video to share with you today, and it's a haul from the new mini catalogue that goes live on the 6th of September, and this is it. Isn't it lovely? Now I can't show the inside of it until September, but come back at the beginning of September and I will be showing you a whole catalogue run through, but I can show you as a demonstrator what I was able to pre-order. So let's get started and have a look at all the yummy stuff. Before that, I should have said, if you want a copy of this catalogue, I do have copies, so leave me a message or go onto my website and click on the contact button and I will send out a catalogue out to you. And you can find all of that down below in the description box. So let's get started having a look at some of our new goodies, or my new goodies, and I'm so excited to share this with you. This is the first little suite I'm going to share with you, and it's called Merriest Trees, and I absolutely love this one. You've got this lovely tree here, and it's two-step stamping, so you can stamp either green highlights, or you could stamp this and then stamp this here to be in white embossing powder so it looks like snow. All sorts of stuff. But I know people say in August it's too early for Christmas. We're crafters, it's never too early for Christmas crafting. And to be honest, today here in Lincoln it is only 13 degrees, it is grey and gloomy, and if you didn't know it you would think we're in the middle of winter, so this is really appropriate. So there you go. And it has matching dies, and this is what really attracted me. You've got the dies, three different, or you have actually four different sizes of trees. You've got this little tag shape. You've got these here which look like little pieces of tinsel. You've got stars, mini tags here. You've got this piece here that could be used as a tree skirt. You've got all sorts of little pieces here. So really useful dies. I just can't wait to play. And of course there's paper as well. And these dies do coordinate with some of the images here in the paper. And this paper is called A Walk in the Forest. And it's gorgeous. So I'm going to show you the paper now. You've got two sheets of every one. I don't know what I've done with the other sheet, but you've got that. And then you've got these lovely greens. I like this. You've got these. Now this would be great for any kind of autumn project. It doesn't have to be Christmas. And look at that. Oh, I love that blue. That's Barbie blue. Look at that. So pretty. And you've got here little bears. All your little bearsies. And they've got these lovely stripes. And you've got the trees here. And you've got snowflakes again. This will do for any winter card. Doesn't have to be Christmas. Any winter card. And then you've got here some more trees and stripes. Now this kind of stripe here can be any time of the year. No, doesn't have to be Christmas at all. So you can see how versatile your paper can be. You know, even with these stripes as well. This could be any time of the year. With this green here as well. You could use this for camping, you know, hiking, that kind of thing. Even this kind of paper could be used if you go hiking and you see, especially in America where you see brown bears, you could go easily. That would be cool. So that is the first suite I have to share with you. So let's move that out the way. Sorry about the noise. When I'm on to suites, I'm going to show you this one, next one here. This is Merry and Bright. And I love these sentiments here. To you and yours, happy Christmas, have a merry and bright. And I like the fact that they have these little outlines around them. So you can stamp and then just cut out with your scissors. So easy to use. And then you've got the baubles and little tags and all the other bits. And of course, you've got the matching dies. Now the piece of the dies I really liked are these two dies here. You can't really see it on the die. It doesn't make it used. But this is the back of your Christmas lights. And this is the front of your Christmas lights. So that you can stamp Christmas lights just like this. Isn't that fabulous? And this, yes, is the matching paper. Look at those Christmas lights. Oh, I love Christmas lights. I love lights. And then you've got dots. And here again, this doesn't have to be Christmas. That could be anything. And here we have Christmas lights again. Yet again. Anytime. Isn't that bright? I love it. And look at these dots. Now this could be any time of the year. This could be great for a birthday. And then you've got here, what does this say? Fa la la. And then you've got diagonal stripe. Absolutely gorgeous rainbow of diagonal stripes. and then stars. And yet again, any time of the year, not just Christmas, this is going to be fabulous. And look at these dots. And then you've got little trees, and you've got stripes again, and more trees. So this is a really useful piece of paper, I would say, to you pack, because it doesn't just have to be for Christmas. You can use some of it for Christmas, but all the other sides you can use for any time of the year. So if you don't do a lot of Christmas crafting, this is still a good piece of paper to get. Okay, let's move that out the way, and we're going to bring in our next suite, as I call them, well, Stampin' Up calls them, and this is this gorgeous polar bear suite. Okay, I'm going to get the paper out. Here, I found my missing piece of paper. Okay, look at these polar bears. I'll show you the paper first because I just love it. Look at these polar bears. Oh, they're the best. I got 2 packs of this paper. I just had to. Just couldn't resist. And then you've got the back. Isn't that so pretty? And then you've got here the lovely stars or snowflakes, whatever you want them to be. And look at this. I just love it, because you can make cards with this so easily, because you can either just use this bottom portion here to make 2 cards, this to make another card, you know, or you can just have a slimline card using this. You could just use this whole bottom portion. There's so many options there. It's lovely. And then you've got this, you've got the deer, and you've got the little otter or seal, I'm not sure which, husky. Look at them. I love this little fella with his holding onto his prezi. He's not letting it go, not for nothing. And then look at that. These are great because you could either use this like this, or you can just cut out strips for borders. So you could just cut out this little strip and use it as a border. It just makes it go so far. Then we've got here our polar bears again, and our little blue trees, and I love this. Look at this one with his polar bear with his big prezi, and then the little one here waiting. You're gonna give me my prezi, Mommy? You're gonna give me my prezi? So cute. And look at these two. One with one, and the little one has got a. Don't know if you can see properly. The little one's also got a prezi on his head. Oh, it's darling. Just so cute. And then you've got the trees on the back. You've got this, which is paw prints with presents. Now, a few years ago, we still had a reindeer parade here in Lincoln, and the reindeers came, bless their little hearts, poor sods, came all the way down from Scotland to be stuck here in Lincoln for a parade. But I do have some pictures of them, and I think this would be glorious to have a picture of the to use this as a scrapbook page and have my picture of my reindeer with the presents and, you know, paw prints all over the place. I think it would just be so cute. And then you've got the gorgeous snowflakes on the back. And then we've got these lovely stripes again. Here, as I said again, as with the other paper, you can just cut out strips or use the whole piece. And then look at these. Prezzies galore. And again, this doesn't have to be for Christmas. If you have a birthday like myself, I have a birthday in December. I'm a December baby. So this is perfect for anybody who's got a December birthday, because these images work for birthday, they work for Christmas, certainly work for winter. So perfect. I love it. As you can see, this is my favourite piece of paper in the whole catalogue. I love it, this pack of paper. Just these beautiful, beautiful polar bears. Oh, they have my heart, I have to say. Heart is taken by the polar bears. Let me show you some more of this collection. We have a matching polar bear punch. Can you believe it? A polar bear punch. Isn't that just the cutest? And then we have the stamp set, obviously. And this is it. So you've got a bigger polar bear. You've got baby polar bears. You can have a family, mummy and daddy and baby. Then you've got the trees. You've got the prezi. You've got sentiments. You've got everything you could possibly want. So you've got that. And then, of course, we have some memory more cards to go with it. I should have opened these earlier, but I didn't. So let's open these together. Just using my pokey tool. Nothing like a good pokey tool in the craft room. 1,000,001 uses for it. Okay, so let's get these out here. And you've got 6x4 cards and 3x4 cards. And these are the Berry Christmas Memories and More cards. So let's have a look at our big ones first. So these are really nice. These could make, you know, cards on their own. You've got Season's Greetings. That will just work as a card on its own. And then you've got those lovely polar bears. Then you've got Merry Christmas. And you've got quite a few of each one, which is really useful. Let me see. Merry Christmas. Oh, look at those prezzies. I like that. And then you've got Christmas is Better Together. Isn't that cute? Now that would just make a lovely card on its own. You just stick that on a card base and off you go. And you've got the snowflakes, and then you've got these stickers, which are just adorable. Look at them. You've got these ones down here, which is like borders, or almost like crackers. To and from Merry Christmas. Here's the polar bear with these prezzies. And you've even got the baby polar bear here with a little prezzie on top. And you've got 2 of those. And then you've got 2 of these ones as well, with the deer and a polar bear putting the star on the tree and stuff. Lovely. Those are really gorgeous. And let's look at the 3x4s. You've got Give the Gift of Christmas Cheer. Sorry if this is going to end up being a long video. I do apologise. Wishing You the Best. North Pole Notes. Let It Snow. We didn't have much snow last year. Hope maybe we get a bit better this year. May Your Christmas Be Cozy. What's this one say? Good Tidings and Warm Wishes. Oh, I like that. And then you've got that one as well. So really nice Memory and More cards as well. So that is really, well, I think it is anyway, a lovely suite of products. And then we'll put that aside. So let me show you a few more stamp sets and punches. We have a lot of new punches in the catalogue. I'm so happy because if you know me, I'm a punch girl. I love my punches. So we have here a little truck punch, and then Trucking Along, and this is actually one of the online exclusives at the moment. And you've got you've got the truck and lots of different sentiments. You've got the prezzies, you've got to have a tree on the back, all sorts. And I really wanted the truck because in Afrikaans we don't call this a truck, we call this a bakkie. And my grandmother, my granny, she always had a yellow truck as a kid. And I used to ride on the back of the truck, and I loved it. She always had a truck all the way through until she died when she was 89. She still drove her truck. I loved her. So I needed that truck punch. It is never leaving my stash, I just tell you that now. Then I got this one called Sparkling Snowflakes. And I've got all these lovely snowflakes. I think these are going to be beautiful heat embossed on dark cardstock. And then you've got this lovely tag topper, what's this called? Sparkling Snowflakes tag topper punch. Can't wait. I'm going to make really pretty Christmas tags with that. Then we've got this lovely punch here, which I really like. And this is the Modern Lab Oval Punch. And then it goes with this stamp set. Not quite sure why, but it does. And this is the Modern Garden stamp set. And I think this is gorgeous. I can see myself making these flowers into poinsettias and all sorts. But there again, they don't have to be poinsettias. There could be any florals for the summer, the winter, whenever. It's a really versatile stamp set again. Okay. So you've got that. Then I've bought this punch, which is called the Curved Label Punch. And I really like it. It does have a matching stamp set, but I just got the punch because I really like this shape. You don't have to buy the bundles. Now I should say, everything I've shown you up until now does come as a bundle. And if you buy something as a bundle, you get a 10% discount. So all is good. I got this stamp set called Shop the Town. And this actually matches the Let's Shop dies that we have in the annual catalogue. So I love stamp sets like this that refer back to the annual catalogue and make use of stuff that we already have in our stash. Really, really good. And you've got here the people, they could be singing carols, they could be looking at a tourist map, whatever. And you've got the tree, you've got the little house, all sorts. I love this arch here as well. And then one of my favourite stamp sets in the catalogue now is More Wishes. Now, as you know, Best Wishes is a stamp set in the annual catalogue, and I've used it to death and beyond. I love it. And now we have the equivalent in the small catalogue. And I absolutely love this sentiments. Christmas, wishes, yeah, merry. The font is just amazing, and the size. I'm going to be using this a lot. I can tell you that now. Another sentiment stamp set, Joy to You. And again, I like the font here. And I like this wish one, so may your Christmas be merry and bright. Okay, and then I've got a couple of embossing folders to show you. Well, actually first let me show you these dies because I'm in love. These are the deckled circle dies, and you get 14 of them in every size you could imagine and beyond. Look at those, they're going to be so useful. Look at that size of that largest die, isn't it fabulous? Absolutely fabulous. It's going to be great for scrapbooking pages, but it'll be also great for big card fronts as well. Really, really great. We've been missing some big circle dies, and I'm so happy to have these in my stash. Embossing folders. This is a baby one, and this is the cherry pattern. So you can see here the two patterns you get. And this one is Snowflake Sky, and this matches that snowflake stamp set I showed you. So you've got that, the snowflakes falling. Okay. And then I've got some masks or stencils to show you. And these are the Abundant Beauty stencils, and there's 7 in the pack. And I'm just going to get them out and show you. I don't see how well you're going to see it here on the paper. Let me move my grid paper so you can see it better on the green. Okay. Yeah, that's better. You can see you've got that one. And then we've got the lovely snowflakes. You've got some lovely leaves. And then these ones here are actually layering snowflakes, layering stencils. And they're going to make these lovely flowers. And I'm going to show you the flower there. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you can colour it in using the layering pieces that you've got here for the leaves, for the flower centres, etc. So you can really build up the detail and definition of your stamp set, of your image rather. So I love those. I love my stencils. So I'm very happy to see those in the catalogue. Now this is an online exclusive, and I wanted to show you. We now can buy separate scoring tools, scoring blades for our trimmers. Isn't that wonderful? So of course I've bought a packet. I love using my trimmer to score, so useful. And then finally I'm going to show you some lovely finishing touches. So I've got here some adhesive backed glitter sequins. Aren't they lovely? Lovely colour. And then these are gorgeous. These are called iridescent adhesive backed discs. And you've got 200 in there. I love the red and the pink and the blue. I know it all. Got some pearls here. Really pretty pearls. And these are the blooming pearls. Pretty. Then you've got these. And I like the colours here. I think this is Moody Mauve here. Really pretty. And these are the adhesive backed speckled dots. And they just look gorgeous. Then you've got these faceted gems trio pack, and I love these. I love this blue here, so pretty. And then you've got these adhesive backed trinkets. I like the fact that you've got the 2 sizes here. Sorry about the glare. So I've got those, and then finally I've got these loose holly gems and sequins. And hopefully I can show you these without them going everywhere. Look at those. Aren't those gorgeous? You've got little holly leaves. You've got the little red berries. Look at that. You've got music notes in there. Look at that. Little music notes. Oh, so cute. Oh, yep, they have gone everywhere. Really, really nice. You've got the music notes. And even here on there, I don't know if you can see very well on the holly leaves, you've actually got some embossing, some indentations to give it really a texture to show the veining of the leaf. So that is really a lot of fun. Okay, so I think I've shown you everything I've got. What a lucky girl am I. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. If you'd like a copy of this catalogue, then just pop onto my website and click on the contact me button, and you can request a catalogue that way, and I will get one out to you ASAP. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.